Let's talk about above and over. Use above when there's no movement. For example, there is a painting above the sofa, or the chandelier hangs above the dining room table. Now use over when there's movement, like the plane flew over the building, or the dog jumped over the log. Next up, below and under. Use under most of the time, it's more common. For instance, my shoes are under the bed, and the saucer is under the cup. But if you're talking about less than, use below, like it is 18 degrees below zero. Now, beneath and underneath are similar to under and below. You can say, we sat under the tree, or we sat below the tree. Both work, but under is the best choice. Inside means being within something, like cozying up in your house. Outside is all about the world beyond, like playing in the yard. Between shows the space or relationship of two things, like sitting between two friends. Among refers to being part of a group, like hanging out among your favorite books. These words help us describe our surroundings and relationships in a clearer way.